Weatherbug.com meteorologist Addison Green here with your latest morning forecast, and we can see out towards portions of Chicago's suburbs area, including the downtown area. We had some flooding to talk about. This is in the town of Burbank, a suburb of Chicago, where we had about 1 to 2+ inches. Some areas saw a little bit over 3 inches of rainfall come down very quickly. So the morning rush was definitely impacted across some spots in northern portions of Illinois, even portions of Indiana. It's in towards Ohio, so some heavy rainfall yesterday morning. Well, looking out in towards later on today, we can see we have some heavy rain potentially coming down across portions of Montana into the Dakotas, where we do have flash flood watches in effect. We have heat advisories in effect across portions of the Ohio River Valley, where it's going to be warm and steamy. Scattered thunderstorms will be possibly slowly moving through those vicinities, so you could see some isolated areas dealing with some localized flash flooding. And also seeing out across portions of the Carolinas, also some thunderstorm potential will be around. The southern plains down towards the Gulf of Mexico being protected by a big high area of high pressure, acting like a big dome, trapping the heat in there, so it's going to be warm and muggy with very little air moving around and very little chance for seeing any thunderstorms come down. In towards Sunday morning, thunderstorms lift up across in towards the Canadian area, down across the southern end of the country. So we'll see that chance for thunderstorms slowly diminish in that region. But we do have a slight risk for seeing severe weather across portions of western Minnesota in towards the Dakotas. Could deal with gusty winds, hailstones, heavy downpours, and frequent lightning. And those downpours could be adding up across the high plains, about 1 to 3+ inches of rainfall coming down before all is said and done in that vicinity. Dew points running very high into the 60s to 70s, feeling more like the Gulf of Mexico than the high plains up north, down to the southeast. Dew points will still be running high, not too shabby in the northeast or the northwest. Temperatures running into the triple digits across portions of the central plains down to the southern plains as well. High temperatures today in Seattle, 80 degrees and sunny. New York, 76, with a mix of sun and clouds coming your way.